loves, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today is going to be another Thrifted Friday video, but the only thing is today I am going to be styling my thrifted pieces. So it's going to be a thrifted versus how I styled it. So we are in my foyer and this is not my first decorating video, though it kind of is, but the first decorating video coming up is going to be a dining room decorate with me. But I am just showing you guys how you can use your thrifted decor pieces in your space, how you can style it and make it look just as beautiful as any retail bought pieces. So I am showing you how I am decorating my console table for the fall season, and I am just loving all the warmth and the moody tones. I love the traditional colors that I'm using in this vignette, and some of the items that I am using I've thrifted, years ago. So that mirror I thrifted about 2 years ago. The picture with the flowers in it I thrifted about 2 years ago. And then you guys saw me thrift this piece, the photo frame and the basket that is holding those beautiful peonies. You can decorate your home beautifully on a budget. You don't have to break the bank. This beautiful candle I found at TJ Maxx and it was on clearance for $4. It's so beautiful. It's a brass container, and the good thing about it is once the candle is all done burning, you can reuse the container for whatever it is. Organizational things, Q-tips, change, whatever it is, you can use it for. This pumpkin I purchased from, I believe it was TJ Maxx a couple years ago, and y'all, I just love the way that this vignette turned out, and I didn't break the bank. I did it all on a budget, and it just goes to show that you can accomplish beautiful decor on any budget, but you don't have to overspend. You don't have to overextend yourself to purchase new, pieces of fall this and fall that. I know that the overconsumption in this world is on an all-time high, and it's like if you don't have this, and if you don't buy from Studio McGee or buy from Target or buy from Our House or Pottery Barn, then your home can't look good or look the way that everybody else's home look. And it's okay, because you don't want your home to look like everybody else's. You want to have that identity. You want your home to be unique to you and your family. You want your home to be curated, and you also want your home to be beautiful without overextending yourself. And I think that this vignette turned out so beautiful. You can peek my Christmas tree back in the background there from King of Christmas, which that video is going to be coming up very soon of me decorating it for fall. So this is the way that the vignette turned out, you guys, and I just think that it's super gorgeous, and I love the peace, the calm, the tranquility, the beauty. I also love all the moody tones and all the rich tones of the brass and the wood. It's just absolutely beautiful, and I wouldn't have it any other way. My theme this year is autumn in New York, and I just love all of these beautiful pieces that is just so reminiscent of how I grew up in New York, obviously. So the next area we're going to be decorating is in my dining room. This dresser is my daughter's dresser, Nyla. I get her dressed for school in the morning downstairs. It's just easier. And so all of her undergarments is in this dresser. And I just love decorating this piece. It's so vintage to me. I don't know if it's an antique, but it's definitely vintage. And I am just using a few of the thrifted pieces that you guys saw me thrift on here. That photo I literally printed it off of Pinterest, and I sent the print to Walmart and picked it up and put it in the frame that I thrifted. The Dollar Tree stems. Yes, I said Dollar Tree. I got a few stems from Dollar Tree, and I just decided that I was going to use it sparingly in this beautiful styled lantern and add some pumpkins to it and just see how it looks, how it turned out. And I think it turned out absolutely amazing. So this is a thrifted pumpkin, you guys, I got from the thrift store, and I just love the way that it looks. It is so beautiful and stunning, and I love the way that both vignettes turned out, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the rest of my home decorated. It is absolutely probably one of my favorites this year because of all the, curated finds and the moody tones, and it just looks so beautiful, and it's simple, but at the same time it's festive and it's warm and it's cozy. And I really don't know what style everything is, but I know that it's my style and my family loves it, and we are just enjoying all the cozies. So it's starting to cool down here. We're in the low 40s some nights, and it feels amazing. I did turn on the heat a couple of nights because it got really, really cold outside, and we're in our sweaters now. We are definitely in the sweater weather, but this coming week it's going to be in the 80s. So when you're watching this, it's obviously going to be cooler, but this coming week is definitely going to be in the 80s, and I'm loving it either way, but it definitely feels like fall. It definitely feels like autumn in New York. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you got some tips and some tricks, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this first official video, I guess, of my fall decorating, and a glimpse into what is going to be coming. So thank you all so much for watching again. I will see you guys in the next episode. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys next time. Happy fall decorating. Bye.
Same old sound in the same old town. I wake up early.